Good morning, Sally.
Good morning.
What are your expectations? What's your end goal result?
Absolute perfection. No, I wanted more natural. I'm 54, so things start drooping a little bit, and you notice sagging here and there. I've had a chin issue for years from an injury that was about 10 years ago, and he's going to address that.
She had a very unfortunate situation. She had a snowboarding accident and broke her chin. Unfortunately, the provider did not give her good treatment, and she ended up having 18 surgeries under here. So what I'm doing for her this morning, a chin implant here to give a better projection, preservation, deep playing face and neck lift to reposition the neck, lower face, and mid face more vertically, doing a endoscopic brow lift, little pinch in the eyelid area, repositioning the fat because she has hollowness, so I don't want to make her more hollow. Also doing some TCA peel on her skin to refreshen her skin.
And I think he'll give me exactly what I'm looking for, to look 25. I'll settle with 35, maybe 40, but that's it.